Hi guys, this is Vanryn. Welcome back to my channel. Do you want to create your own ID picture? Today I'll show you how to resize your photo into 1x1, 2x2, and passport sizes using Adobe Photoshop CS5. These are the basic sizes we often need here in the Philippines, so better watch this to learn something new. Okay, so first open your CS5. Okay, this one. This is CS5 Adobe Photoshop, and drag your photo. By the way, this image right here is an AI generated picture. Now if you want to know how to generate picture for free and unlimited, check out my video, this one. Okay, and if you're wondering how I remove the background of this photo, just watch my other videos too, this one, so you can follow. Okay, on my YouTube, Facebook. Now select the crop tool, this one, and then set the width into 1.1 inches, and same for height, 1.1 inches. Now if you're asking me why 1.1 and not exactly 1, because I tested it and the 1x1 came out smaller than the shop printed version, so I add 0.1 to get the perfect size. Okay, and the resolution must be 900. So let's crop the picture. Okay, and then click this check or just hit enter. Okay, so if you want to brighten your picture, just click this adjustment and you can adjust the brightness of your picture. Once you're done, click layer and then click the last one, the background, yes, and then right click and click flatten image. Okay, next go to image, select canvas size and change the unit into pixels and check the relative, and then delete the last number, replace the 0 to 2, same with width, and check relative. So in here, the canvas extension color, it's up to you if you want color white, gray, or black, but the common is black. Okay, this serves as your margin, so you will have your guide later on, okay, on where to cut. So hit OK, and next go to file, click new, and if you have an A4 photo paper, then change the unit into inches, change the width into 8.27, the height 11.69, and then the resolution must be 900, and then the color mode RGB color, and background contents must be white. Okay, then click OK. Okay, let's go back to the first sheet. We're gonna copy this to the second sheet. Okay, Control A, then Control C, then go to the second sheet and then Control V to paste it. Okay, then click move tool to rearrange your photo. You can drag it anywhere. Let's zoom it in. As you can see, there's a margin. That's the use of margin. So later on, if you print it out, then you will have your guide if you cut your picture. Okay, let's arrange the picture. So if you want to duplicate your picture, just press Control C and V. Okay, or click the layer, Control, then click the layer 1, then press Alt and then double click. Okay, that's it. So you have your 1x1. And same process for 2x2 and passport size. Now we'll have our 2x2. Select the crop tool, put 2, same with height, 2.1, and then crop your picture. And hit enter, and that's it. And then, of course, again, you can adjust your picture, the brightness. And yeah. Once you're done, click layer, right click, then flatten image, canvas size, same process, and check relative, inches to pixels, delete the 0, change into 2, same with height, and check relative again. Then hit OK. Then Control A, Control C, next sheet, Control V. Okay, that's it. If you want to duplicate it, Control V again. Here. Okay, for passport size, crop tool, and set the width into 1.4, and then the height 1.8. Okay, by the way, this IN right here indicates inches, okay? Short for inches, IN. So this is the size for passport, 1.4 and 1.8. Then let's crop it. This is perfect. Okay. Okay, again, you can adjust here, in there, or whatever. Then click layer, click background, right click, flatten image. So canvas size, and check relative, and then hit pixel, delete 0, change into 2, check relative, and then the canvas extension color black. Hit OK, and Control A, Control C, and then Control V. That's it. You have your 1x1, 2x2, and passport sizes. Print your sheet and cut along the black canvas margin. This margin. I hope this tutorial helps you. For more videos, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vanryn. Also, check out my other account, Vanryn Stories. If you enjoy short and entertaining stories, then you might check it out. And that's it. See you in my next vlog. Bye!